So this truck here is an original K30 ton and a quarter. It was a military edition, 1976. It doesn't have the big front end, but it's still a good truck. Heavy frame. So the biggest thing is it's got a small block in it. I'm gonna pull a small block out of it, and fuel injection, because easier on fuel. You just don't have to worry as much. I mean, yes, I love a small block Chevy, and you just can't go wrong with one of these. It's like, it's night and day, really. Full roller, aluminum heads. So I'm gonna get that motor pulled out and I'll show you. So the first step here is we're gonna pull this motor, because that's just not gonna work for what we're doing. We need a little more power. Motor's out. Got the tranny sitting in there nice. Took the front clip off after I pulled the motor, just easier. Gonna clean this frame up, just been blowing it off with some air. And we're gonna paint all that firewall black. Okay, so we got that painted. Now, to figure out what we're gonna do with the frame. Paint it black or undercoat it. It's not bad. It's no rust, it's just surface. A whole bunch of it. I spent half the morning just taking that air hammer there and trying to beat it all off. So once I decide what I'm going to figure out, or what I'm going to do, I'll let you guys know and give you another video. Alright, so what we decided to do, we're just going to undercoat that. Nobody's got time to paint that shit. Come on. Next I'm going to show you guys this engine. We're going to jam this little 4.8 in, flat top pistons, 862 heads. A couple broken manifold bolts, 3 of the 6, or yeah, 6, so half. And I got that side off, and we're gonna try this side. I'll let you know how that goes. Great. Oh. We don't need this EGR where we're going. Nice. Now here on the passenger side, I already have the plate all bolts on. That's the factory small block buckle. These are a set of aftermarket plates where you can adjust them. I'm sure you guys already know about that. Now, I'm putting this motor in a 76 pickup. It's a 1-ton, but it's probably, I imagine it's probably the same buckle right through. I shouldn't say that, because I never had a problem on my 79, and I took those buckles out. They could have been an aftermarket one due to the engine being an aftermarket block. So I'm going to show you how I had to make it work, and you guys can do the same if you need to. Now for these buckles, this had a big hump. Whoop, beep. Anyway, I took the grinder with the grinding wheel on the first one that I showed you on the motor, and I went meow the whole time for about 10 minutes, and I said, you know, that's just silly. So I took a cutting wheel and zoop, took that hump off. I'm going to grind it back down, and that'll be a lot easier than trying to grind a 1/2-inch hump off there. Well, after some much needed cursing and swearing, I got these two out that I was messing with. Bang, 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 bang. And here's my fancy contraption. That's one of the failures. This one over here would be the other one. Pretty, eh? Anyway, might even have to just reuse those, they're so damn good. So, this is the last one on this side. If I can get my wrench on it. And this one here had a case of the old poke out, so it was pretty easy. Look at that. Woo! Now I've got this 4.8 just about to go in, but having a real hard time getting around the motor mounts. Now I don't know if I don't have the buckles in the right spot but me and my buddy screwed it last night. We couldn't get it. Anyway, I'm gonna try it again today. I think it's just down, lay it like that, put the back down, lay the front down. So we're gonna keep picking away here and let you know if I get it in. All right, so I did get it in. It's all bolted, torque converter's bolted. Now, something for a little tech tip. So, I've been doing some research, and I did another one on my white truck, 5.3. It's on my channel too. But I knew the 5.3 flex plate would work for sure. You know, as far as this 4.8 one, I didn't know. It's a 99 motor. Some people say that the cranks are longer and stuff, but that's not the case. That's for sure. So I use the bone stock LR4 flex plate. I got one of them little cheapy spacers. And the only problem is that the torque converter wouldn't fit in the hole. I just took a grinding wheel and grinded that down just a little bit. Anyway, it all fit in there good. So for anyone that says you need a fancy flex plate and all this stuff, you don't. If you got a 4.8 or a 5.3, you should just use that factory one and you're good. Well, stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna get the wiring done, all the injectors, fuel system, exhaust manifold. Yee-hoo.